What's up, everybody? Thanks for tuning in. This video is going to be pretty short. I told you guys in my post, if you guys saw it, that I actually sold my black coupe. Oh my god. This guy. Say hi to the people.
Hi.
This guy's a maniac. So I told you guys I sold the black coupe, and I sold it for something pretty nice, and I just wanted to show you guys what it is without keeping you waiting. So here it is. This is a true 93 Cobra. Originally it was black. It has been painted teal, but it was painted the right way. It has a Gen 2 Coyote motor in it. It has a 25.5 cage, and currently we are getting it ready for NMRA Bradenton Spring Break Shootout season opener. So I'm not going to go into detail yet. I'll show more at the event when I have time. I just want to give you guys a quick look at the car. And yeah, 15 by 12 double beadlock rears, 17 by 4 front runners, built rear end. Like I said, full 25.5 cage, still pretty much stock interior. I'll show you that. Best part is still a stick car. Just got the Kirky seat in today. I had the door panel off because I was working on the window motor, which actually works. You can see some of the cage here. Now it's not certified yet, but I plan to get it certified at NMRA. There's the parachute release handle down here. I'm working on the battery box back there and the disconnect, and that's about it. So hopefully you guys think the car is nice. I 100% guarantee you this car was worth selling the coupe for. I'll go into more details in the next video. Just wanted to do a short video of what the new car was and what I sold the coupe for. So that's it, and I'll see you guys on the next one.